Howdy folks! I'd like to welcome you here today to Rich's Gun Shop and Shooting Range. For over 50 years, Rich's has worked hard to serve its customers in every way possible, and we right toot and thank you for that opportunity and trust. Now, we're proud to bring you our new state-of-the-art shooting range and one-of-a-kind Old West shooting gallery. We hope you all really enjoy these ranges. We're dedicated to your safety and learning while here at Rich's. So sit back, just enjoy the next few minutes of safety tips and rules of the trail that will help you have a safe and fun experience. Happy trails, partners, and y'all come back in real soon, you hear?
Here at Rich's Gun Shop, we value your safety as much as you value shooting. Please listen to the next few moments while we run through the mandatory firearms safety rules. Treat all firearms as if they are loaded, always. Do not point the muzzle at anything you do not want to destroy. Keep your finger off of the trigger until you are on your target and ready to shoot. Know your target and backstop and ensure all shots stay on target. Here are some additional things you need to know before you go into the range. All firearms must be in a bag or case. Do not remove any firearms from a bag or case until you are in the range on the firing line. All ammunition will be inspected by Rich's staff before you enter the range. You may only use new factory brass ammunition in the range. No aluminum cased, steel cased, or reloaded ammunition is allowed. You may only use approved targets in the range. Eye and ear protection are required before entering and at all times while in the shooting range. For safety purposes, use your range key to open only one door at a time. Hang your targets using only the provided clips. Don't shoot the clips. Replacements will cost $1. Targets shall be no closer than the yellow line, which is 21 feet. Uncase firearms only at the firing line with muzzle pointing downrange. No firearms shall be removed from the firing line without being cased. A maximum of 2 firearms are allowed in your stall at any time. All muzzles shall be pointed downrange at all times. There are absolutely no exceptions. If your firearm misfires, keep the muzzle pointed downrange for at least 5 to 10 seconds before clearing the firearm. If you have any malfunctions, keep the muzzle pointed downrange at all times while attempting to clear the malfunction. In the event of a major malfunction, Rich's offers professional gunsmithing help. Broken or malfunctioning firearms must be removed from the range. Firearms without sights are prohibited. Absolutely no drawing firearms from open or concealed holsters. No rapid fire. This is a slow fire range only, 1 shot per second. The range is for shooting only. No gunsmithing, cleaning, or oiling firearms is allowed. Do not, for any reason, go over or beyond the red line in front of the firing line. Notify an RSO for any help needed. Please sweep your brass beyond the red line during and after you are done shooting. Do not bother or interrupt other shooters. Shooters will be held financially accountable for any damage caused. Now it's time to enjoy the range. Remember, practice safe gun handling at all times.